Welcome to Part 4. Welcome to Cabin Crew Steps YouTube channel. I want you to really focus here. Grab a notebook and actually write these questions down. My job is to give you the exclusive questions, but your job is to do the work. Initiative. Are you waiting to be told what to do, or are you taking charge to help? Empathy. Can you see the situation from the passenger's perspective? Professionalism. Do you stay calm and follow procedures under pressure? Write down the question, then brainstorm 2 or 3 possible answers based on these qualities. This active practice is what will make you stand out. Don't just skim the words. Read it once, then read it again.